Welcome back everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Today we are going to start our second chapter, that is evolution of computer. Computer. Computer is the greatest invention of a mankind. Computer has a capability to store a huge amount of data and to retrieve it quickly as soon as possible, and also it gives output with 100% accuracy. Day by day, the size of this machine is reducing and the capability of storing and the processing is going high. Initially, when computer was invented, that time computer was a huge, a large or in a bulky in a size. Also, it works very slow. As the time passes, computer size is reduced and also the capability of that device. This wonderful machine is not an outcome of a single day or the effort of an individual person. It took many years and the form of time to time, and also the people contributed their time to develop this machine as we are getting it today. The need of calculating device we felt a thousands year ago. The development of computer was also started as a calculating device. Later on, it also converted into a versatile machine. So, let us peep into the past to understand the evolution of computer.
Early computing devices. The need of calculating devices was felt thousands of years ago, and the men already was trying to develop a device which can make the calculations easier. So, some of the earlier used calculating devices are abacus, Napier bones, Pascaline, Stipet Rocken, Difference Engine, Analytic Engine, and Anik. So, first is abacus. Abacus was considered as the first calculating device that was developed around 5000 years ago in China. Simple calculations like addition or subtraction could be performed using this device. Next is Napier bone. Napier bone, this was invented by Sir John Napier, a Scottish mathematician in 1614. It was made up of rods or sticks with numbers marked on them. Beside addition or subtraction, it was also used for multiplication and division. Next is Pascaline. This was the first calculator invented by Blaise Pascal in the year 1642. It consists of a rectangular box with 8 movable wheels. It was capable for performing additions and subtraction. Next is Stephen Reckoner. This calculator was an improvement over the Pascaline by a German mathematician, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, in 1671. Apart from addition and subtraction, it could do multiplication, division and square root also. Next is difference engine. In 1800, Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical engine, the difference engine. It could perform complex calculation as well. Next, analytical engine. Charles Babbage invented the first mechanical computer in the year 1833. The analytical engine, which laid the foundation of modern computer. That is why Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computers. Next is Anik. With the advancement of technology, the first electronic computer named Anik. Anik stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was developed in 1946. This was the first electronic computer which brings the revolution in the field of computers. This is considered as the computer of first generation. Now, moving further, we'll learn about the generations of computer. Development of computer technology from Anik to its present form can be categorized in 5 generations. Let us discuss the technology used in each generation. First is first generation. It starts from 1940 to 1956. During the first generation, vacuum tubes were used as a main component. They were very expensive and of very large size. Some of the first generation computers are Anik, Univac and Advac. Vacuum tube were used as a main component. You can see here on the screen there are different types of vacuum tubes. Next is second generation. Second generation started from 1956 to 1963. During this period, transistors were used as a main component. These were smaller in size and lighter as compared to the first generation component. Some of the examples of second generations are Univac 3, IBM 1401, IBM 700. You can see on the screen, this is the sample of a transistor. Next is third generation. Third generation started from 1964 to 1971. Third generation computers were based on the IC, that is integrated circuit technology. These ICs were small electronic device having a large number of transistors in it. These computers were faster and efficient than second generation's computer. Some common examples of third generations are Univac 900, IBM 360 and ICL 1900. In a third generation, integrated circuit was the main component. As you can see on the screen, a black plate containing a small 100 numbers of transistor along with it. So this is also called a integrated circuit plate. Okay. Next is fourth generation. Fourth generation started from 1972 till date. Till date means till we are living on this we are living this year 2020. So the till date. Fourth generation computers were based on VLSI, that is very large scale integration, and ULSI, that is ultra large scale integration, which reduce the size of computer, further making more efficient and faster. These small integrated chips are called microchips. Computer which are in use these days are used in this technology. Computer which we are using in these days are mostly based on microchip. Now the last generation is a fifth generation, and it is totally based on a future based, that is artificial intelligence and robots. Development of fifth generation computer is in progress, as these computers will be very high in speed, very high systems with a large storage capacity as well. They will be equipped with thinking power and will be able to take decision like a man. So these computer will be based on technology called artificial intelligence.
I hope you liked and understood each and every topic of this chapter. So we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care.